Make way, the chef has arrived. Tiramisu Tiranno standing inside, with crown on his head and spoon in his hand.
They call him Il Mastro della Cucina, how grand!
He rules every cake in the baking land.
He roars, aprons on!
Bring me a spoon.
This cucina must be perfettamente in tune. GigiMo jiggles and grabs for the splat. They grabbed the bowl and rolled out the mat.
Pat a cake, baker's mo. Drop the flour, whoa, look at it go.
Roll it and pat it and mark it with an M. Then sneeze in the sugar chew. Oops again.
We need 3 eggs. Where are the chickens? 1 egg, 2 eggs. They laid them again.
3 eggs wobble, then splat on the floor. A chicken runs squawking right out the door.
A is for apron, put it on tight. B is for bowl, it's big and white.
C is for cinnamon, give it a shake.
D is for dough that we're ready to make.
E is for eggs, crack.
1, 2, 3.
Now stir it all up.
SmartyMo stirred a bowl of blue. He measured just right, like smart bakers do. BubbyMo waddled with curious eyes.
Tip the bowl of yellow, surprise, surprise.
The colors swirled with a splat so clean. They mixed and twirled and turned to green. DrummerMo laughed.
Pistachio sublime.
Tiramisu yelled.
We are running out of time. Ding goes the timer, the cake went boom. Now frosting's flying all over the room. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Red frosting on my nose. 4, 5, 6. Blue frosting on my toes. Roll it, pat it, spin like a top. Dance in the bakery, don't let it stop. Mark it with M and count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Then sprinkle the sprinkles and shout delicioso.
We served it up with a spoon and a hat. DrummerMo tripped and flung his slice. HeroMo caught it, wow, what a sight. Then gave it to BubbyMo, who took a big bite.
And covered his face in frosting white. Wiggle your belly, touch your nose. DrummerMo's covered from head to toes.
GigiMo's laughing, there's cake on the floor.
Let's clean it up or bake some more.
Pat a cake, count with me.
1, 2, 3. Roll it and pat it and mark it with M. Then dance around with all your friends.
The cake was wild, the kitchen a zoo.
DrummerMo slip,
In a pile of goo,
we'll mop it up.
or maybe not.
MimiMo's bake was silly and molta high.